Music. Hallo. Good morning. Hallo. Good morning. Hallo. Good morning. Chat, today we're going to make a trailer. I apologize for being late. I had to make sure that I record this section right here. I did end up writing a script because I thought it would be better if I explain the game in my own words, but with at least, I think it's good. If not, we can always change the text. What do you guys think of this text so far? Good morning! Hello! Guys, I woke up with a headache that did not subside until now. But I noticed I did not drink any coffee yesterday. So I have a feeling that maybe it's a withdrawal headache already. I've not been drinking that much coffee, but I have a hunch. I can't prove it yet, but if the headache goes away with this cup of coffee, then I'm addicted to coffee. Coca-Cola? No? It must be the caffeine. Hello, Mr. Nature Snack. Hello, Benrail. Mr. Shade 11. Good morning. Jalero, Mario. Good morning. Shade 11. Inventory turn 0. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me see if there's YouTubes, guys, because it did not. Yes. Could be Dev, Mr. Fonga, Mr. Guys, you need to have better name on your YouTube channels. What are you doing? Like, they are very hard to pronounce. R2 Grul Za. Hi. Yenny. That is very hard to pronounce, my man. Guys, we are reaching my limit, by the way. I have spent a lot of time making this GIF yesterday. What do you guys think? Thoughts? Now, it might look simple, right? But I had to make sure that the position of the frame is correctly, I make the items correctly, and I get the effect in the frame correctly. Did you change the map? That's the first map of the game. The first map of the game has a very nice layout where I can show the bottom UI. There's just one problem I just noticed. One tiny problem that you guys might not even see. Top left seems different. No, same all. So here's how it goes today, guys. I will be making a new trailer. We'll be recording the footage based on what I wrote down here. But I want to go through this with you guys because I'm not natively English. I'm going to read it to you how it will be in the video. I already have recorded it, currently pausing the recording. I recorded it twice. We are looking at a recording length at the moment of 10 minutes, which includes the first part. Like it includes the GIF, this GIF too. but at full screen. I want to read it to you guys, and if you guys have any suggestions or changes to the text, maybe a word is different, I don't know, changing something, I would like to do that now, because then I can re-record it again. Another trailer. Yes, I need to update the trailer, of course. And I did a Thronefall-like trailer. I'm going to read this once real quick to see how long this is actually, if I read it with the proper pronunciation, but it should be 2 minutes. It should be at least below 2 minutes. Let's see. Clock. I'm gonna read it once. And I coded the whole thing in my own, yeah. My fucking bot. Why are you calling me, man? I hate this. One sec. Okay, I'm back. What can I do if I get called, mate? He gets easily offended. So yeah, I'm gonna read it to you guys on stream right now, also with the pronunciation, but I'm gonna have to unequip my headsets for that, because I change my voice depending on my headsets, because I can't hear myself. So let's see. Are you guys ready? So, Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds, which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as heroine Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies, and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 roguelike upgrades to level up, with each level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and melee combat. The healer heals everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach and deals damage from afar. Each tower has 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations. But the end result is always the same: massive on-screen explosions and effects that make damage numbers go absolutely crazy. I forgot to add that here. This is all possible because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. See? Every mission leaves you with skill points to spend, every mission you start leaves you with skill points to spend, even if it is lost. So you're always progressing and getting stronger. There are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique abilities and mechanics to overcome. The main game is likely going to take you 2 to 3 hours, and you can always replay levels to complete challenges. Complete challenges, earning more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available for each mission after you beat it, where you face an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. The goal here is to compete on a global leaderboard to see who can last the longest. Okay, so I had to stop a couple of times, but it's definitely below 2 minutes. Okay, it's definitely below 2 minutes. I think it's good. Like if I cut out the stops and the ass and the things, we are looking at 1 minute and 45 seconds, something like that. That was not for a short, that is the talk voiceover for a Thronefall-like trailer of me explaining the game. And the goal here now is to go and see, like, what did I say? Your players are here in Tangy, you can move around, attack enemies, and even reposition towers. Like, let's put a comma here. Enemies spawn around, we'll try, if they succeed, the game is lost. But there's multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 roguelike upgrades with each level. Place up 3 class-based towers, comma, each with the unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies, the healer hits everyone, and shoot. Deadly bolts of lightning and ice, but can also shoot. Oh yeah, forgot. I need to wishlist. I need to pin the wishlist thing. Wait a sec. To YouTube. The only problem I have today, guys, is I have a headache, and it debilitates me. By the way, Shade 12. What is this on YouTube? Sorry, I missed that. I appreciate the no, not timeout. Pin the message. Huh? Pin the damn message. Oh my god. Pin them. Oh. YouTube. Oh my god, stop. Pin message. Goodness, what's this? I'm Shade 11's cousin and he told me to ask you about your mic. So how's your microphone? Apparently it's a meme or something, but I'm not sure. I'm new here. Cakez. Thank you for the money. What are you reading? Shade 12, thank you very much for the money. I appreciate that. My mic, the Shure. Is that enough money to say what mic it is? I don't know. Is that like $2? Yeah, my microphone is the Shure 7 SMP. Yeah. You think Rogue Light upgrade sounds odd? Anyways, let's get to feedback. You should currently to the part with the map and boss count, giving the illusion that there will be more. Currently there are, well, we could say currently, I was thinking about that too. Alright, let's go over this. Blah blah blah, level up Tangy, place up the 3 class-based towers. Defender specializes in blocking. I use Arch, by the way. Hey, my man, that's your first message on YouTube. Hey, more power to you, brother. It's not stopping. I'm taking drugs. Paracetamol. Paracetamol, guys. I'm relaxing my forehead as much as I do. It's been since I woke up. Yeah, paracetamol incoming. It is how it is. Drink more water, already did. Drank a tea, drank water. Slept a bit longer. Nothing helped. So now we take this. Because I need to make this trailer today. If I didn't need to make the trailer today, I'd be taking the day off and I'd just be laying down. It is how it is. Now, if they succeed, level up 10 by taking enemies out of their roguelike, place up to 3 class-based towers, each blah blah blah. I want to say every tower, maybe? Every mission, every tower. Towers. Towers. Have 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations, but the end result is always the same. Massive on-screen explosions. That or which? Absolutely crazy. Which make damage numbers go Y2 go absolutely crazy. This is all possible because of deep system and massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Every mission you play leaves you with skill points to spend, even if it's lost. Even if you don't win. No, so you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore each. So fully committed now. I will do the trailer for sure and see how well it does, or see how well it turns out to be, and then I decide. Do you know a fellow German with a mustache? I think you're over-explaining the trailer. I doubt it. No, I don't think so. I was looking at Throne Force trailer a lot, and they do the same thing. So it can work. I think say less and show more. I can't though. I can't. I tried. It's impossible. Chocolate main. My trailer will be an hour. Sorry, an hour. That would be too much. A minute 40 seconds explaining the game, showing every single thing you can do. Put some energy. It sounds like you're asked to stand up and shut the fuck up, man. I think it's good. Pussy. See in 5 minutes. I'm not going to pretend. It's exactly the same as I would explain it anyways. Why not just make the trailer real quick? You don't make a trailer real quick. You don't make a trailer real quick. Guys, can you just please do me a favor today? Okay, I still have a headache. Can you just shut the fuck up and help me with the words? Thank you. Linux or Windows for serious game dev? I would say Windows. I asked about the words. The main game is likely going to take you 2 to 3 about. Let's say 2 to 3 hours to complete. I don't like this part here. I don't want to say but, because then it makes it seem like this is bad. I guess we'll keep the end. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges. earning more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available for each mission after you beat it, where you face an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. The goal is to how about here you compete on a global leaderboard to see who facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. How long can you last? Oh yeah, and then that's all you need to know for now. This is stolen from this. The last part is actually stolen from Thronefall though. The last part is stolen from Thronefall. Let me see.
We hope you enjoy your reign in Thronefall.
I hope you enjoy Tangy TD. There we go. So any suggestions? No, it should not be a story because I don't have a story game. My game has no story. It's not about the story. The reason why I'm explaining the game is because my game is like Path of Exile. It needs to be explained. Why do I keep having to repeat that? When people see my game, they don't understand it. When people see this screenshot here. God, man. Sorry, I have a headache today. I'm not in a good mood. Press kit. Screenshots. Why is the preview of this wrong? When people see this, they don't understand the map, the game. They see... Whatever. Maybe it's a mistake that I stream. Read it again. Okay. This game is not a copy of me. Genix, not even close. It's not too technical. Listen, man, here. I get triggered. I'm getting triggered. So, please. Okay, I get one guide right now. Chakao, my man. Sorry, I'm getting one guide by you, yeah? Okay? So, like, you getting me one guide today? Because I have a headache, okay? I'm sorry. Like, go here and watch the trailer 10 times, please, okay? 20 times. And then come back, okay? Thank you. Good. And then tell me what story. Okay, relax. Relax! It doesn't matter if they're uppercase or not. I'm fucking German, man. We have uppercase. We have normal typing in Germany. There are nouns. They are capitalized. This text is for me. Disappear. Headache. This is not the Steam description. This is the trailer, what I say. Tangy TD is all about combining. You play a zero and enemies spawn around. If they succeed to list, but fear not, there's multiple ways. Level up by attack and turn is just one of the three roguelite upgrades. You think that's bad? Roguelite implies that they reset. I mean, I could just remove that. Drink some water, drop the shoulder, lose the hunch. Take some deep breaths, Cakez. Drop the shoulder, lose the hunch. You mean this? This is like a straight line. How long do I do this for? It's very uncomfortable. Oh, it's not helping. Just 20 more minutes? $20. But by then the paracetamol could have worked and this was just a waste of time. There's no way this works. It's gonna be the drugs that work. I'm no doctor. You just make me do things so that it looks funny, right? Oh. Alright, so Tangy TD is all about combining items, creating powerful builds. The idea behind that is that I start with this. I mean, I need to train a bit. I mean, at least I have that. So here's another question that I wanted to... whatever that's called, 1920, 1080. Here we go. Let's do recording. Why is my cursor flickering?
Is it hot or cold? Well, it's starting to get cold because I barely have anything left.
Oh shit. No, it should be fine. Here's discard the previous project. I wanna see if I should make full screen recordings in for GIFs or not. He needs caffeine? I don't think caffeine helps. Ginger and peppermint tea helps. I don't think it helps today. I think I have way too much stress. This change here is putting a lot of pressure on me. And the reason why is because for me the trailer is the most difficult part, where I'm the least experienced in. I will code you and draw you like 10 images, 15 changes, easily. But making a trailer, I just die. Just can't. Milk plus honey helps for me. Anyways. So the first one was not good enough. Actually it was. Okay, one more time. Was it this? I guess it is. We start here. Position 1. Delete. Boom. 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 Attack, attack. Attack, attack, attack. Enter. Delete. How long is it? Statistics. 10-second duration. Good enough. File. This is a GIF I want to upload to my Steam page to see how it looks. It's 1920 in resolution. That is not the proper resolution for Steam. What we found out is that a multi not a multitude. A multiple of 780 works. So 780 works, then 1560 works. But adding another 700 to that does not make it a 9020. But I'm gonna do a 9020 screenshot to see how it looks. And then let's just save it for now. FFmpeg, let's do number 3. And then I also wanted to see on the Steam page, no, not one frame, but all of them, please. Thank you. Good. While we wait, I wanted to look at Thronefall. By the way, we got like 30 wish lists yesterday, for those of you who are wondering. They have small screenshots. They didn't even update them to the newest resolution. So it really does not matter. Doesn't really matter. Very short description. Okay, it's fine. Wow, they have such a short description that you don't need to unplug it. Interesting. Very cool stuff. Maybe I make that too.
Hello.
I'm not changing my currency now. I think the oranges still work because of the orange tree. You're spending the oranges on the orange tree. So, it's fine. Yeah, guys, I'm not changing the currency. No. The currency still makes some sense. While not perfect, it does make some sense. What are the orange trees for? Foliage looking cool. What is 30? Pretty good. Where's the ugly hut version? Bro, the hut is fine. Stop complaining about it, bro. There should be a number 3 in here. Or here. Huh? Ah. So I wanted to sort them. This is number 3. I'll probably only do 2 GIFs. How big is it? 21 megabytes. So the question is, how big am I going to make my GIFs? By the way, guys, I now have confirmation. I'm allowed to show Steamworks on stream. Here you go. Thank you for your patience. We believe it's time to use... we believe it's fine to use information from the Steamworks pages to build a store page and to include screenshots of the tools. That said, please be mindful of what content is being shown and whether it includes any sensitive information. If it contains details such as financial data, future discounts, pricing information, or anything else you consider confidential as a partner, we would recommend not sharing it. Otherwise, it is generally fine to show generic tools and features from the store page editor. So that means I could show you how I edit my Steam page, for example. Oh, or the Steam stats system. The Steam leaderboards. Which is great. Nothing leaked here. I leak no names. Just text. I'm not showing revenue right now because I have not sold the game yet, but I'm showing wish lists. Shut the fuck up, Lolby, okay? Kinda toxic. So that's amazing, because then I can actually work on stream with you guys. Still 29% of rent? No, it's still not 29%. I did not forget to update it. So I wanna change the description and upload an MP4 file for the combined items. See the difference. I will not do a border again. I don't need it. Like, you don't need it. I've done this too many times. Here you go. I was using EasyGIF. I think that's the best thing to do. Then we put the ferry number 3. In there. Upload. Okay. Good morning, fellas. How are you feeling today, Cakes? I have a headache. I'm stressed. Need to make a trailer. But at least I have the text for the trailer already. Now I just need to add the recordings and I won't do much editing for the trailer, which is nice. And yeah, this trailer is more straightforward. Thank goodness. And then once I have the trailer done, the explaining trailer, I will do that. I take that version of the trailer and make a shorter 40-second, 30-second version where I just show the most common clips of the long trailer underlined with music. So the second trailer, which is like the release announcement trailer, right? The changed trailer. The 30-second one will spawn from the 2-minute one. And then the 2-minute trailer will be the release trailer on the Steam page. That is the idea. Let's download it, convert. What's left to do for before release? Email YouTubers and do the trailer, and then just add more items, achievements, and bug fixing. That was fast. 6 megabytes. Okay. Download. I plan to reach out to content creators today, which is why I'm so stressed. And of course I get a headache on that last day when I decide to do that. Alright, so we're gonna take the MP4 file and upload it here. Right here. Let's see if it uploads this time. Let's look at Thronefall. By the way, I should like put these together, right? These tiny things, okay guys, I just need to know. Hello Rooster King. I'm releasing in 13 days. Yeah, if I don't stop get interrupted by fans. Cakes, I can't last very long. Yikes. Gotta work on that, my friend. Okay, so guys, what do you think? Do the full screenshot? Let's just save it. Or the zoomed in screenshot. I think I'll just do the full screenshot. Click and conquer, let's see. Click and conquer is also zoomed in. Can we not see the size of it here? $800. How's it 800? Is it zoomed in that much? My wife called. Nah, man, I'm just too fucking stressed out. I feel like I burst. But the biggest part is the fucking... Biggest part is the fucking trailer. Like, that's the raid boss right now. Alright, save. Oh, man. The big problem is also, like, my wife's gonna come here with Zoe and I'll be interrupted again. I just can't, man. Like, it's cute and all, but bro, you gotta focus on work. You gotta separate family and work. I just can't, man. Like, if I have to, I'll go back to my parents even if I hate it. Just so I can work there, man. Like, I need that separation because I can't focus if I get interrupted all the time. It's too stressful. It's really, really, really stressful on me. All right. And it's not good. It's not good. Okay, let's look it up. Tangy TD is here. Let's see. I think I have to click publish twice. I think it's fine. It explains almost the entire game. Then I'm making 1 or 2 more. Screenshots, sorry, GIFs. And that's it. I'll make 1 more GIF showcasing the classes. I think the size of it is okay. I just need to get rid of those edit mode buttons. Because they really make me mad. Let me code that in. Where's my thing? You know, guys, I really love the changes when I can code, when I can just code shit and draw shit. It's so easy. Bruh. This promotional and marketing stuff and creating clips is just hassle. But I know that I'm getting better, which is nice. It's just a tedious and slow process. And the reason why is because it's so fucking important, right? Hate it. What is this? That's the first one. That's it? Sorry, guys. I think the change is good. I hate the work associated with it. The trailer work. I hate it. Because it's busy, tedious, shitty work. I hate it. Fucking hate it. If I ever make a game in the future with someone, the other person will do this shit. I'm not doing it. I fucking hate this. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. But I also have a headache, so that amplifies my feelings. My negative feelings. I hate headaches. Yeah, these are options. And this fucking thing is lagging. It's lagging! Sorry. Why are you lagging? You are a fucking text editor! Look what I'm dealing with right now. I can't start Visual Studio Code. I use it every day. Stop fat fingering! Press the V button! Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I had an icon on the bottom right. I had an icon on the bottom right. I had an icon on the bottom right. I'm retarded. Bro, stop lagging! Sorry, guys. Having a rough day. We'll get past it though. We'll push. Fat fingering shit, I hate it. I fucking deleted a file yesterday by fat fingering. Build. Goodness. Hate headaches. Piss me off. No buttons. No buttons. Nice. Go here. Do the shitty recording again. Good. Do it one more time. I leave the button in here for this, but I will at least do the recording in OBS better. So, wait. Put the camera into the stream box. Turn the stream off. Start recording. First clip of the trailer. I do not show the mouse in the recording. I need to do it again because I was lagging in my head. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna redo this one more time. Oh, the person who just made this clip is banned. You are banned.
Hey!
You are dead. It's over for you. Int main return
What is
0.
this with this game,
Yep.
man? Fuck you.
Where is it?
Hey!
Where are you?
No! Please stop! Oh, come on, man. This is so fucking dumb.
You are lucky that Twitch is just a shitty fucking service. You are lucky. You are so lucky. I was gonna time you out for the entire day. You better not write any messages. I will find your name. You are lucky that Twitch is such a dogshit program that you can't right click here. You're lucky. I cannot right click like that on you. So be warned. Type a message, you're gone. Pussy. Asshole. Am I recording? No. Recording. Fuck. No. No laggy. The last part was a bit laggy. Okay. Alright, so first clip. Now, we need to follow the script. TD is all about combining items, create powerful builds, which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as hero in TD, you can freely move around, attack enemies, and even reposition your towers. New map. Play as hero in TD. Where do I reposition, attack, and move towers? I suppose here. You play as hero in TD. You can move around. Shit. No. Fuck. Sorry. Pause the recording. I don't want it to be 10 hours long. So, you play as Game Tangy. You play as Game Tangy, where you can move around. I think I've done that now. Okay. So, let's see. Where you move around. Attack enemies. That was weak. Where you move around. Great. One more time. Where you move around. Attack enemies. And even reposition towers. But that sucks because it needs to fit properly. So we do it again. We play here in Tangy, we move around, and this is terrible because I'm blocked by a tree. Okay, we'll do it like this. Move around. And even reposition towers.
Fuck!
Sorry, but the fucking thing just broke. So I apologize. It didn't fucking toss the orange. I'm not signing into Microsoft. All right, so one more time. We run around. I need to think about this because I want to move her. So I'll probably prepare this better. Where I put her here. And then I'm just going to be like, okay, well, you run around. Reposition towers. Good. That's a decent clip. And what else? And even reposition your towers. Okay. I want to do a couple more repositions though. I think this is good. But I want this to be a bit better. Like this. Okay, try that again. Fucking misclicked. I can't believe it, man. I fucking misclicked. Okay. One more time. I just love this shit, bro. Okay. Next. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. New zone with 2 orange trees. Oh, fuck, I kind of destroyed my keyboard. Give me a sec, chat. Come on! Fucking add that back to the fucking thing! I need to make the trailer! I don't have time to deal with the fucking keyboard. Oh my god! Go back! Gut. Okay. Meine Tastatur war im Arsch, okay? Ein Stöpsel war kaputt. Den musste ich wieder reinstecken, okay? In Englisch. Failed to get leaderboard, yeah. Next. Missions. They wanna beat all the orange trees. So here we need to prepare a level where I guess I'll do an ice level now with 2 trees, yeah. And I will deliberately underperform so that I lose. Ah, shit. I did that for the trailer, of course. Oh my god! What? Caps lock is on here! Oh my god. Now it just thinks caps lock is on the entire time. Can you fucking believe it? Oh my god, this is not a good day today. Where's my cursor? Sorry. Guys, we'll get through this. I apologize for the rage. I apologize for the rage. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Oh, man. Relax, man. No, no, I had caps lock on. I had caps lock on, bro. Thank you guys for joining on Kick. I'm at work, but I'm popping in when I can. Made a Kick account just for a few weeks ago, lol. You mentioned that they pay a little better. Yeah, they do. I need to calm down. Ah, guys. I just hate making trailers, man. I hate it, man. With a passion. I just hate that shit. Fine. Build. Start the ice map. Continue. One last time, Cakes. One last time. Okay, where are we? Your place here in Tangy. What happened here? Why am I in insert mode? The fuck? Aha. Any spawning rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. That is, if they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not. So we kind of need to play a losing battle now here. But it needs to be a genuine battle, so that's why it takes so long. I need to genuinely lose. Reroll shop. Stop fat fingering. Stop fat fingering. Chill, my bro. I just can't. I have a headache and it's not getting better. Guys, I don't know. Maybe I should stream tomorrow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm totally not in a good mood. I know I'm gonna get interrupted 10 times. I just can't deal with this stress right now. I cannot. Wrong move. They are way too strong. I'm not gonna lose. I can't even lose. There's no way I'm losing. Let's just keep this running without any upgrades. I don't think I'll even lose, guys. Okay, I'm back. This map looks cool, yeah. I think it's one of my better maps. Shit. Okay, so this is where I lost. When the orcs spawn. God, I'm exhausted. I should not be at home today. I should be at my parents' house doing this until I am done. The problem is not that I have to do this. The problem is that I will get interrupted and it drags it on for way too many hours. That is the problem. Knowing that I will be interrupted, knowing that this will be a drag. They have a lot of HP. Shit. This is a bit too strong. I think. Flow state is important, yeah, it is. Okay, let's see how it goes. They die really quickly. They don't. And I just pulled the boss. You can't be serious, bro. I pulled the boss with her. How? No, I pulled him with her. What happened with the oranges? It is how it is, I guess. Can I get a shield, please, game? No. Can I not get a shield? No? No shields needed, I guess. Fine. Reddit feedback said oranges, but that doesn't mean oranges is correct. Okay, I think I got something now. Now I need to lose the game. I need to lose this right here. I'm losing at the top here, but I still do not lose at the bottom. That looks good. Can I get a shield? Thank you. Why is the shield so far off? I need to go down, guys. Need to help my wife real quick. Das kann man auch so machen. Toll. Die ganze Zeit am Aufnehmen. Super. I'm back. Great. Was recording the entire time. I have an idea on what I could do. But I think I have to... Yeah. Okay, so this will be another clip. And when I say... the enemy spawn in rounds will destroy all... and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. What I do here is I just turn the screen gray. It's like an effect. So that'll be it. Good. And then, but fear not. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. I'll do a cut. I will do a cut and show some more action on this map. And then next, level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose one out of 3 upgrades with each level. So, I have disabled Tangy XP. Let's enable that again. What was your wishlist gain from the next fest on day 1? I don't remember. 100 wishlists or something. Or less. I think 100. You didn't get scammed. I had post notifications. And they will stay paused until I'm done with the trailer. Level up Tangy by checking enemies. Okay, so now, which mission do we use to level up Tangy in? A new skin would be nice. Maybe this here? I think this is a bad map to showcase that in, because Tangy needs to go to the side to level up. I want Tangy to be in the middle. So I think I want to do this in Goblin Camp and then show Tangy attacking. The game looks good. Glad you like it, man. Yeah, now my wife's calling, right? 5 minutes. It's been 20. But I hate these interruptions, man. I hate it! God! It's not getting better. I need to go back to my parents to work there. I need to go back, guys. It's not helping. It's not. Okay, let's go here. I'm sorry, guys. I think I'll stop streaming now and I'll come back tomorrow. I think I'll just stop today. It's not a good day. Won't be a better day. Will not get better. I genuinely do not enjoy myself today. Like it's 13 days and yeah, whatever. Calm down. I cannot calm down today, man. I cannot. I'm trying. It's not working. Just rub your hands together like you do when you're excited. No. Retard. Fucking retard. Of course I'm in float. Oh my god, save it. Does the darker grass do anything? Does it need to be sharp around the edges? Yeah, because otherwise it looks bad. I tried doing it non-sharp. Looks bad. This project looks awesome. Curious to hear what new project will be. What tech will it be in? It's gonna be an incremental game. I'm not going back to Godot. You guys know that I don't like it. Okay. I should have done it better. Now I'm getting bad upgrades. I had good upgrades. the same upgrades. You chose the... Oh, I'm so mad. I'm so fucking mad. PS count. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this now. I need to choose an upgrade. I keep forgetting. Now misclick. Oh. I cannot take a break for 2 days. That's the problem. Can I get this wand of death, please? Nice. Good. Now I want to see Tangy with maximal builds. I wanna do another clip where Tangy is like really powerful. Verpiss dich, du Flieger! I will hunt you down and kill you! Sorry. It flew right at my face, bruh. And yes, I have no camera because I'm recording, guys. Ja, so ist hier. Hallo. Ja, ja. Hallo. Hä? Dieser Flieger. Oh. Wo ist ein Bär?
Aber Jacke ausziehen, komm schon. Schnell, schnell, schnell. Jacke ausziehen, die Schuhe ausziehen, die Hände müssen wir waschen, Gesicht auf. Gucken wir die Jacke auf.
Die Tür. Dankeschön. Thank you. Hahaha. You can't beat my thing, can you? When you let your wife play the game on stream, I'm not gonna let her play the game on stream. She does not want that. So nothing. Never. Uh-oh. Holy cow. The bleed damage is crazy. Okay, an additional projectile. Nice. Pierce is also good. We'll go for Proch though. First we go for Proch. Good. The point that I'm trying to... what I'm trying to get done here is a lot of damage. A lot of levels for Tangy. So that she looks powerful in... And I pulled the boss. Great. I pulled the boss. Amazing. Did not mean to do that. Well, now it's too late. And we got hit, of course. That means we kind of have to... Ooh, bouncy ball is really good. This one's also... oh god, 2 really good items. I need to change that. Give me a sec. I don't know if it's an impact sound. Shit. Shit. No. 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 Yeah, the big problem with the trailer is I need to play my game a lot to show action. And that just takes a long time. Shit. And there she is. My wife nowhere to be seen. Katze, ja. Mhm. Ja. Schön, ja. Ouch. Great. I lost. Just play some endless melts and pick some random scenes from it. Less stressful. I kind of have to show what each hero does and something as well. But yeah. I will play this in endless mode too. No. No. Go away. I'm hitting the fucking foliage from her. I don't get it. Why am I hitting foliage? Like, I really need to do better coding there. Oh, and she fucking got stunned again. And the door is open. I just can't today, chat. I'm sorry. I'm not in a good mood today. I don't feel good today. I'm sorry. I'm not doing good. Nein. I'm just not good, guys. I'm sorry. I think I should go offline. No, guys, I'm not doing good. Like, you know how long this has been that I smashed my desk? I'm genuinely disappointed in myself. It has been... Can't pick up. Of course. It has been like months. Where's the fucking... I cannot deal with this. Should have went with Godot. Wait, legal in Germany. It is legal, yeah. And the heater is like, no, I just need to be isolated alone and finish this and then come back when I only have to do coding left. It is too late in development for me to like just... I just... Yesterday when you lost the recording, yeah. Like, even if it's less wish lists or whatever, I should probably just take a break. Come back tomorrow when the trailer's done. No, this is not a good stream, lolboy. This is a terrible stream. This is a really bad stream. And I should just not stream on these days. I just shouldn't. Would be for the... Yeah, I think it's better if I do that, yeah. I apologize, guys. Are you using a donor? I'm using C++, my man. I'm sorry. Today is not the day to stream. I don't know. I can't shake it off. I'm trying real hard. It is not working. I think it's the uncertainty, and I should have just sold the game earlier. Fuck, man. Stupid red potion capsule pieces of shit. Fucking. I shouldn't say it, but I'm just gonna say what I think, man. Like, these fucking assholes. Like, these assholes took their fucking 1.5 months to give me trash. Wanted 150 bucks. No, sorry, 500 bucks. Assholes. Spent so much money on this. If you're spiraling, it's gonna get worse. I mean, I'm making progress. The good thing is, when we look at the list of things here, we are here, and I'll play a bit more of this map to get Tangy more bigger upgrades. What I really have to do here, the next ones are a bit easier because I can zoom in and show what's happening, like for the defender, healer, and ranger. This is very easy to do. How's the performance though? It's decent enough. Like, this was running reasonably well. Is it? With a lot of enemies. Now the biggest problem is I have a ginormous headache and it's not getting better, and I keep raging and it's making it worse, and it's a spiral like you said. and the stress of having to be done today, knowing that I will not only get interrupted but also have to do other things. It's just, I just can't. Das ist aber Süßigkeiten, Zoe.
Nein, das ist nicht ihre, ist meine.
Das ist Mama.
Das ist nicht essen.
I'm not going back to Tangi's, most likely. I appreciate that, little boy. I'll do 10 more minutes and then probably to go offline, guys. I'll do 10 more minutes. I'll do 10 more minutes. Why is this thing here? I need to keep running and doing damage. She blocked it. Idiot. Ow, stop it. Stop hitting me. Oh, I have 5,000 bucks, man. Holy cow. Oh, no! Shit. I died. Withdrawals? It's not withdrawal. I think I'm like 90% positive the reason why I have a headache is because of the stress. No, the trailer is just the worst part for me. How did I hit this guy there? Explain that. Sometimes I just... Oh no, it was her. It must have been her. Alright, so this is where it gets rough in a way. Got another poisonous ball. Holy cow. That's crazy. I guess I'll go with projectile pierce. Maybe I'll be able to compose myself, chat. Maybe. Eh? Gully's huge. Gully's huge. Interesting. Yeah, this is the one item I can't use yet. Okay. Let's get more attack speed. Still Tangies on those 3 pop-ups, huh? Oh yeah, Tangies, you're right. And the 3 pop-ups for the items, right? I just won't show the items then. Though you're right. Oh, that's bad. Maybe I just don't show. Actually, yeah, you're right. I'll have to think about it. The problem is it just takes so long to get to a point where the waves are just crazy. Maybe I just have to increase the spawn rate way more, way earlier. Then make the bosses spawn earlier too. Verpiss dich, du Fliegermann! Hör auf, warum nicht zu fliegen! Asshole! Man, I deal no damage to these big HP guys. Man, she's stopping the entire freaking barrage of rats on her own. That's crazy. Do you not have a debug mode to select a specific wave? Would probably save you hours. I think I do actually. Shit. Let me see. I think it's called set wave. No. It's definitely a console function. Export strings, import strings, give stars, give relics, award, give skill points, set level. Set level? Oh no, wait, set level is something else, sorry. Drop chest, toggle item list. Set hero level. Set game speed, set backspace, unlock all heroes. Reset all items, toggle options. Set round. Shall I test? Should I test it? 60. That doesn't look like round 60 to me. Because it doesn't take into account we need to get the actual challenge number. Like we need to loop. So const into loop count is... I need to code that now. No, it didn't reset the... Like it kept looping. Let's see. Max rounds. We need that. We need that, I guess. After 10 rounds. We are awarding XP to Tangy as well. Challenge round counter ++. Nah, it doesn't work. At least not right now. Right now, it just does not work. I need to do too many things to change it right now. And of course, Vim does undo Vim does two things with one undo. I hate that, man. Sorry, guys. I'm not good. Not good today. Shit. Anyways, I saved here, so it's fine. We're still in round 22. I need to code this differently. The challenge mode. Maybe I should do that though. Could you pass a range to a function to repeatedly call it? Yeah, I mean, I need to do something, yeah. Code it in a certain way. Knight's helmet, very cool. Anyways, 9k monies. I lost. Why? Yeah, I mean, maybe I just let this run and code while I let this run. And I choose some of the upgrades and we just let this run. Can I concentrate like that though? What do I do here? Reset shop rerolls, heal heroes if we're in challenge mode. Let's see. In challenge mode. I'm using hitboxes for collisions. And I'm casting a line from a previous to the current position to see if it hit or not. In challenge mode. Check if connected to Steam. Level state active enemies. Wait an extra second, then we win. Upload score, highest round. I still don't see where I increase the enemy's power. Here. Start a new round. Ah, here. When there's no more enemies left to spawn. In challenge mode. Once we have reached challenge level 1. We add progressively more stats. And I think what I want to do here is... So, after 10 levels, I get 8 every round. So if I start round 60, I do -10. And then multiply the round counter that is left over by 8. Which means I can essentially just have a function that takes in an int round counter and then sets these accordingly. Like that. And so instead of doing plus equals, I set that to something multiplied by. Which allows me. But if I set it then that's fine. Should work. Let's do it like this. I hate having to type float every time. I think it was ×1, right? Oh, increased spawns is challenge level times 12. Let's make spawns more. Maybe even 14 or something. Let's do 16. Let's double that. Might be too much though. Let's do 12. Good. Now, let's take this function here. And then in challenge mode, we always set enemy buffs. Round counter is, and then this challenge level increases by 0.1, right? Every round. 0.1f, yeah. So basically enemies start getting stronger after 10 rounds, which means once we hit challenge, we don't need this challenge level anymore, really. I guess it's needed for the swarm timer, but I could still do that too. Like, I don't need this. I just need the challenge round counter. Which, if we do that anyways, then we just do level state challenge round counter. But But now I have an access to round counter, which means I can feed this in any number of rounds. Don't have to assign that. Okay. Will the game be... Yeah, through Proton you can play it. And then we get rid of this. And we get rid of this. We can now do this every round. That's fine. It'll just be 0 in the first 10 rounds. Good stuff. Now, this function right here, where is this? Update level, okay. I call it challenge buffs. And now max rounds. Let's first get level stage. Don't know if I have to init level really. Don't think I need to do that. Round number. I hate when you undo two things. Stop it, Wim. Who told you to undo two things? Not max rounds. Sorry, guys. We have max rounds. Round index is that. That. And then since I can cheat, I don't need to give myself money. I don't need to, I just set the round index to the level state and the challenge round counter. And I apply enemy buffs. Great, how did I call that? Set enemy challenge buffs. How about... Yeah, no, it's a good name. And I think that's it. Shall we test if this works? Wait, if Round counter greater than max rounds. Level state, level mode is level mode challenge. We turn it into challenge mode. I hate this fly, man. It makes me mad. Fucking got you. Die, bitch! Hate you. All right, let's see if this works. Set round 60. Round 59. Okay, let's see. Oh god, they're fast. But I think it works. Oh wow, yeah, I think that is but I'm losing now, lol. Oh my god, they do a lot of damage. I haven't even, oh god. But why is it only so few? Shouldn't it spawn like a lot? I mean, I gotta be honest, that's kind of nice. Who's freezing them with every single hit? Goodness. Okay, 7 only? Oh, it's 7 silver goblins. Oh god. Holy cow, they are fast. I think the movement speed increases somewhat. OP. They zoom through the map. What the fuck was that? Oh my. Okay, I think that's a decent start, huh? But set enemy challenge buffs. I would say the movement speed. Let's nerf that to 3%. Good. All right. Ouch. Level up Tangy. Place up to 3 class-based towers. Each with unique items and abilities. Okay, so the defender. Right. Let's go. And give the defender blocks. And make him block a lot of enemies. Without doing the bleed pops. I want the defender to have a lot of HP. Missions. Okay, so now we can put a defender here and the ranger will not be able to beat the enemies from progressing, which means I have to kind of get rid of some of the buffs from the ranger, especially those, the splits. These are OP. That's good enough. The cuts are aided. Where's the mouse? I'm not recording the mouse. All right, so let's begin with the defender. I love how I don't get a shield. Makes me mad. I'm just gonna toggle item list. Okay, so what do I get? I want this shield. And let's test this. All right. Let's see how that works. Man, it works very well with the set round part. Nice. That's a decent one. Good stuff. I like it. I wonder why they have not evolved into their counterparts yet, though. Man, he's blocking a lot. Okay. Next is the healer. I think I'll use the same. And then give the healer... Can I do the bouncy ball? I just love my console doesn't work. Bouncy ball, projectile, speed, lifetime, no. I don't have an item that gives me additional chain without it being... Why do these enemies not... Oh, my challenge level has not increased, has it? That's why. I get it. There we go. I want to buy this game because it is C++ and makes me trust the game. That it's not wasting my hardware resources. Okay. Health percent? What the hell happened now? Okay, I wanna test if I cannot make... I need the, whatever, toggle. Item list. What will the price point be? It'll be between 7 and 9 bucks. Huh? Ja. Guys, I just have one problem. I'm making progress, it's nice, but I have a jarring headache. And it's only getting worse. It is not getting better. And I already took paracetamol. Ich hab schon genommen. I think I need to lay down, man. I think I've reached my limit. Try meth. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not doing good. Yeah. Let's see. Make another recording here. Let's hope this works. Shit, I chose the wrong upgrade. I'm retarded. Headaches are the worst, yeah. I did drink coffee, yeah. To test if that was the issue. That was not the issue. Okay, please make it so that the rolling frosts... Nice. Okay, now... I'm going to add something to the bouncy ball. I will definitely finish this today, guys. But I might have to take a break. Just to get this shit off. Because it just hurts. It doesn't stop. I don't have anything else that erases my lightning damage, does it? No offhand. Yeah, the healer doesn't have that many great items. I don't even have an item that gives me just the damage. You know what? I think I'm just gonna do like a map where I only place healers. But I'll have to set that up. Or I'll just place a couple of healers now. And then set the rounds very high. But I think for that I need to invest into the skill tree. I did invest into most of these things though. Chain damage. Chain range. Shock is not implemented yet. Yeah, I mean, it's better to feel bad now than it is to feel bad on release, isn't it? Chat. What happened to the oranges? I'm testing other skins and I like the skins more. To create more of a general audience appeal. Now, one of your biggest weaknesses is the sounds. They decrease the quality of the game enormously because they are by far the weakest pillar. I can't change it, man. I tried my damnedest on making the sounds better. It is how it is. Nah, guys, I'll take a break. I feel like shit. I pushed well beyond 2 hours, 30 minutes. I pushed further. I did get somewhere with the trailer. If I take a break and come back, maybe I'll be able to get it done properly. It's already 5 PM. If I sleep till 7 or something, if I can, let's hope, and it goes away by then, maybe I'll be able to finish the trailer and then send out mails to YouTubers, and then tomorrow we can finally start working on like just polishing the game. Just polish more items, achievements, stuff like that. That would be great. I'm not gonna rate. I should rate T2 as DE, T2 as the V. Say hi to him, okay, guys? Why did rate not work, guys? Yeah, no, like the day already started bad when I woke up with a headache and it's only getting worse. So, sick again, yeah, kinda. It's probably overworking myself and stressing myself, like always. I think I'll still be able to do it though. Thank you guys for the support, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for joining. Sorry for being negative again. 12 more days, chat, and then this is finally over. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll be there tomorrow. Trailer will be done. I must. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Bye. You guys on YouTube too. Have a